I'm so happy to see you, I'm Samapti. It's so good to have you here, and today I'll share my experience with Braun's Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL, and I have been using this for 6 weeks, and I'm gonna give you my weekly updates and I'm gonna show how it works for me. So yeah, now let's start then. So I chose this device. So I actually used to shave my body hair and it was okay, but I had to repeat the same process every week and I wanted one permanent solution to this. And I thought about doing those professional laser hair removal, but those are really expensive and I kept on procrastinating because it takes some time to take the appointment, and I just wanted if something that would have helped me at home. And Braun, they have come up with something like this, which is their Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light, which helps delivering hair removal by using flashes of light to reduce hair growth at the root itself, and it promises to show results within 4 to 8 weeks, and all it takes is just 5 minutes on each areas of your body and you are done, and you have to do it once in a week. Okay, now let's talk about the suitability. So this device is going to suit the best people with lighter skin tone and darker hair, which I have, and this IPL actually focuses on the melanin. It targets the hair follicles and reduces hair growth. Alright, now let's talk about the pros. So this device is actually a one-time investment, hence value for money, and you can do this at home whenever you want to, at your convenience. You don't have to make any solo appointment, and I really like this fact that I can do this at home because I am kind of socially awkward. I don't like to visit salon as much, and quickly you can do this treatment. Before I show you how I use this on my body, let me tell you few do's and don'ts. While using this, look away from the device to avoid the bright lights, and if you're pregnant, if you're lactating, do not use this. If you have chronic skin condition, then do not use this. You can ask your dermatologist before using this device, and this device won't be suitable for recently tan skin and if you have deeper skin tone. So this Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL comes inside this box, and we have this bag. I find this bag to be really pretty and very convenient, and it has these manuals which are super helpful. And when you open the bag, you're gonna see the device. It also has one razor. It comes with 2 heads, and you have the connector. They have given this razor because you need to shave your skin before you use this device. So yeah, we get this Venus razor, and I recommend you to read the manual very carefully before you use this device because there are certain rules you have to follow. So now let's switch on this device. It has this corded non-stop power. Once it's on, it's very easy to use, and it has 3 modes, and you can push this button to adjust it. 3 lights indicate standard, 2 lights indicate gentle, and 1 light indicates extra gentle. I'm gonna put it to extra gentle setting. It has automatic light adaptation, which means it can read your skin tone and select the appropriate light intensity for your skin. It has these 2 heads, one is larger, one is smaller. Now I'm gonna connect this to the device and I'm gonna put this to like extra gentle setting. The area to be treated must be hair free, so I have shaved my leg and hands, and now I'm using this on my hands. I had to place the treatment window firmly on my skin, ensuring both skin sensors have skin contact. And then I pressed the treatment button and the device began to flash, and I have to move slowly continuously from bottom to top area of the treatment, and it took me like 10 minutes to do my legs and hands. I'm gonna noob at this though, but I'm gonna get better with time. So this is how my legs look like right now, and this is how they look before shaving and using the treatment. I'll be keeping photos to compare the results, how I'm progressing, and this is how my hands look like. So far so good, and I'll be continuing this for 5 more weeks, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated then regarding this. Hi again. So this is the second week, and for my armpits I have seen slight reduction of hair growth, and same goes for my hands. But I have seen better results for my legs. Usually after 1 week I get significant hair growth, but now I have seen quite a good reduction, and there is almost no hair on some patches. And today I have the sitting, and I have shaved my hair, because this is you have to do, you have to shave your body before you do the treatment. And for the second sitting it got easier, I knew what to do. And I have to remind you again to not look directly at the flashes, look away. And I thought it's going to be difficult to do this by looking away, but actually it gets easier. For the first sitting it can get a little bit confusing, but when you're going to do your second sitting it's going to be a lot easier. That's what happened to me. And I have another observation that make sure you don't have sweats on your hands or on your legs or on your armpits. My armpits got sweaty before doing this treatment, but then I wiped it. So yeah, something that I thought you should know. And I did this entire thing in just 5 minutes. It is not at all like time consuming, and the device is really easy to use. And I have been using the gentlest mode, and this is how my skin looks after the treatment. And I'm following up with a fragrance free body lotion. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next week then. And my experience has been quite good this far. So this is the third week, and today I have another sitting. But for now I have seen significant reduction of hair growth on my armpits, on my hands. I'm yet to see significant results, but still I see less KP. But I guess I need to give it more time, which I'm gonna give. And on my legs also I have seen significant reduction of hair growth, and I have not shaved my legs for 7 days, and my hair is to grow real fast. So yeah, on my legs is working really well. Even the laser treatment has become really easier for me now. I mean, the more you do it, the better you become with it, the more you know how to place it, when it's gonna flash. And with flash you may feel warm sensation, which is normal, but it didn't make my skin red or it didn't irritate my skin, which I really like, and my skin feels like better. So yeah, see you next week then. So this is the fourth week, and I have seen good amount of reduction of ingrown hair, and my hair is to feel a little bit what do you call it, coarse, but it doesn't feel that way now. And this is how my legs look now, and I'm pretty impressed. But I'm gonna tell you, do not be greedy, do not use this device more than once in a week. And this was my fifth week of doing this treatment, and I thought of compiling fifth and sixth weeks progression, so you're gonna see the better picture. And I am blown away with the result. You can see my legs. If I compare this from the day I started this treatment, this is mind-blowing. And even my hands and armpits, I have really seen drastic reduction of hair. I'm gonna continue this treatment for 2 more weeks, and this is like before and after, so that you can compare the results. And yeah, after 8th week I'm gonna give you an update on Instagram, and after that I'm gonna be continuing this treatment, say once in a month. And my hair is like growing like really slow. Whatever hair I have now on my body is growing really slow, which is again very good thing. So this Braun IPL device has worked really well for me, and I have seen significant reduction of hair growth. I took a really good time to test this, 6 weeks, and I'm glad I did that. And I think it was a very good investment on my side. And if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments box, and I'm gonna leave the more information in the description box. You may find that to be helpful, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.